How's it going, folks? I want to do a quick video. I got my favorite tools to replace pressure transducers, high and low pressure switches, and fan cycling switches, assuming they have a Schrader core installed. So if you don't know if you have a Schrader core or not installed, and really honestly, even if the factory tells you there is one, you want to always slowly back it off with a tool such as a crescent, or I would highly suggest where a jumper is really going to be your best option. The 1/2 to 5/8 is the perfect size for core and service ports. Also, highly recommend the 7-inch Knipex pliers wrench. It's the perfect size for this sort of thing. But I think the Wera has an edge on the pliers wrench here because it actually is an open-ended, self-adjusting ratcheting wrench, and what that means is, as you can see, it kind of slips here. You turn it, and so that lets you quickly take things on and off, and gives you a lot of torque for tightening things down. A lot of control. Perfect for anything where you're gonna have refrigerant spraying. So pliers wrench does work. Just I think it's a little bit slower. I'm gonna be turning the pressure transducer or other device you're putting on your service port. So again, though, when you're replacing pressure transducer, high or low pressure switch, or fan cycling switch, you always want to slowly back it off. Just one turn at a time. There is going to be refrigerant coming out if there's a Schrader core installed, but you should get to some point where the device is still on the threads and it stops shooting out refrigerant. If it continues, you probably don't have a Schrader core. So do not take it all the way off, or you're going to lose the whole charging system. I'll put links in the description for you guys. Thanks, have a good one.